Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by cutting the biggest drains. First, enable low power mode. It reduces syncing and visual effects so the phone conserves power. Next, go to Settings and disable background app refresh for apps you don't need updating constantly. This stops hidden network use. Once done, pull Control Center and lower brightness or keep auto brightness on so the display adjusts for ambient light. These steps immediately reduce CPU and radio use, giving you hours back without changing behavior. Next, refine connectivity and app permissions to avoid constant radio activity. You should turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth when unnecessary. In low-signal areas, switch to airplane mode to stop the phone hunting for towers. Then, open Settings right arrow battery to identify apps chewing power and either force close them or remove background privileges. This addresses misbehaving software. Also, set location services to while using the app or to never for apps that don't need it. These choices reduce modem use and GPS sampling. Finish by optimizing long-term behavior and troubleshooting. Turn on Optimize battery charging to reduce battery aging by limiting full charge time. This helps battery life over months. Switch to dark mode and minimize motion and accessibility to cut display and animation load. Keep iOS updated because patches often fix battery bugs. If you still see unexplained drain, restart your iPhone to clear stalled processes and make sure to check Settings right arrow battery after a day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.